Alright guys, I tried to record the other side, but for some reason my phone died again. I'm going to have to do something about it. That phone ain't working very well for recording. But anyways, hopefully it lasts through this side and I can get this knife done for you guys. Alright, I had a ton of mistakes on this knife. I'm realizing them now more than ever, but looking pretty good if I do say so myself. Yee. I'm actually pretty excited about this thing. Be able to take a piece of scrap, turn it into something that's just awesome. Let's see if it's still recording. Yep, thank God. I messed up a little bit down here. I don't think I'll be able to get all of it out, but without doing the whole bevel more. But it's first knife. What can I say? I'm not going to kill myself over it. I can take a little bit more out though, I believe. So now I just need to sand it all down. Put this in a file to get those sides even. File it down a little bit on top. Make it all good and flat. Clinch it. Put the handle on. Ready to rock. I don't know how long you guys have been kicked off. But I guess I'll just have to work with whatever video I got. Hope you guys like it. I'm going to drill the holes. Then we'll glue the handle on. What do you guys think about that? I'll be back after I drill it. Alright guys. It's another day and I decided to change plans on this here. I was going to put some big holes in here because it's the only pins I had. But I happened to be looking around the shop at work. I happened to find these. Solid brass pieces. Alright, cut some down to size. We're going to re-drill some holes. So let's get to it. Last one, then we'll put the scales on and drill holes. Huh. Go figure, my seal done fell off of this thing. Oh well. So you get for buying Harbor Freight. File off the burrs here. I don't have nothing to make the holes beveled at the end. Let's see how balanced this thing is. It's a little front heavy. It'll work. I guess because of these here being gone now. But that there gives something for it to, the epoxy and stuff to bite into. Alright, I took a couple blocks up here so I can try to use this clamp to hold this thing in place. Around so maybe you guys can see. Let's see if you can. Yep, alright. Let's turn this thing on. Let's try not to tear anything up. We drill into the board, we drill into the board. First hole is test finish. Make sure my drill bit's big enough. Well, it's a little too snug. That's my piece of brass. Let's try different. We're sliding in enough. Let's see if we can get a little more clearance in it somehow. A little more give. I think my bit's in there straight. For some reason it seems to be wobbling awful bad. Holy cow. Oh, what the heck's happening? Don't seem like my tips are going down in there right. Pretty close right there. There we go, now we got her going straight. Or straighter. Put this clamp back up. Them clamps are expensive. I was looking at one of Lowe's the other day and it was $25 or $30 for one of those clamps. That's crazy. Alright, let's see what we can get here now. Here's number 2. So Jonathan Mickle, man, thanks for the knife skills, man. That was cool of you. Had to reshape the handle a little bit to make them work, but hey, it don't matter. Alright, now they work. Try to make the holes just a little bit bigger. Not much, just a tad bit, so it has a little bit of play in it. Get this pin in here, hold it in place. There we go, slid in there a little better that time. Remember, widen the holes on the bottom one a little bit. Pins are sticking down, so I'm going to make the hole through. these holes worn out a little bit. And set this back around the way now. Alright, well, let's see how they throw them now. I'll zoom you out a little bit. There we go. So I'll make sure I don't get it out of the shot. Test fit. Da-da-da. I got worn off a little bit. How do I do that? Well, see if that works. Well, I hope nobody see this afterwards. I'll try not to do it next time, obviously. Still gotta go more. Man. I'm going to have to figure out a better way of doing this. Obviously, make sure I get it right. I don't know what I did wrong, but I'm trying to figure it out. This pin here is just real fat, it seems like.